The yeas are 220, the nays are 215. The bill is passed.
With the plan, 36 million uninsured Americans would be given more coverage and mandatory insurance would be required to escape fines. Employers with payrolls over $500,000 would also be subject to penalties if they do not provide coverage for their employees. Those with pre-existing conditions cannot be denied coverage, as government-run insurance, better known as the public option, is also included. In total, the plan would cost $1.2 trillion over the next decade, but will decrease Medicare costs at $400 billion. After the bill passed, President Obama announced that he believes the Senate will make the bill a reality.
Now it falls on the United States Senate to take the baton and bring this effort to the finish line on behalf of the American people.
The newly passed health care bill differs from that of the Senate, as it does not include the public option. Some conservatives are against the bill and have made plans to vote against it.